I'm Kantiva, Human Resource Management in PT Swift Logistics Solutions. Thanks for coming to the interview for finance staff position.
It is my pleasure. Thank you so much for meeting with me today.
Of course, how are you doing?
I'm doing really well. It's such a nice day out there.
It is. It was perfect weather all weekend.
Yes, it was.
Alright, let's just start the interview. So, tell me a little bit about yourself first.
I graduated with an applied bachelor's degree in accounting at Bandung State Polytechnic 1 month ago. I chose this field of study because I became interested in accounting since high school. When I was in grade 3, I took accounting subjects and I think the subject is very interesting to study more deeply. In addition, I'm also interested in the business world because I think being an entrepreneur at a young age is one way for the younger generation to build the country's economy. I also had an internship for a finance staff position in one of the Bandung Regency offices, so I already have a little experience working in this field. I have been a hardworking student and have taken my subject quite seriously, so I can graduate on time with honors degree. Now after graduation, I want to apply my knowledge in my work. That's the reason I applied for this job. Although I have little real-life work experience, I had a lot of exposures to financial management during my graduation. So, I will convince you to be a valuable asset to your esteemed company by applying all my knowledge mixed with hard work.
Great. And then, what is your greatest weakness?
My greatest weakness is that sometimes I have a hard time saying no to requests and end up receiving more than I can handle. This has made me feel stressed or exhausted, so I will use a task management application to help myself overcome this weakness so that I can visualize how much work I have at any given moment and see if I have the bandwidth to do more or not.
I see. What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is that it is easy for me to learn new things. In high school, I majored in science, but in college, I majored in accounting. Of course, almost everything I learned in college was new to me. However, I can still pursue the competencies that I must possess in every course's objective. For example, when I was in high school, I never studied or used software such as Mayob, Zahir, or Accurate, and database management software. But when I was in college, I learned from scratch and until I'm able to operate it. I also got good grades for practicing these applications.
Next, how do you handle stress and pressure?
I usually handle my stress and pressure by taking short breaks and filling it by doing things I like, such as eating, traveling, sleeping, or listening music. I don't mean to take days off, but I can do it on weekend or at night after work. And I will do the same things if work starts to feel heavy and boring until my morale returns to normal.
Okay, it's a good answer. Do you prefer to work independently or on a team?
I prefer both because I am a person who can easily adapt to any kind of work, so I can work alone or as a team. When I was in college, I joined a student organization. There, I learned many things about how to work as a team, such as coordination, bureaucracy, and building comfortable collaboration to achieve our organizational goals.
That was a good answer. Because you don't have any work experience, can you explain more about what contribution did the subject in your college give to your career?
As I said earlier, I am an applied bachelor's degree in accounting at Bandung State Polytechnic, so I am more prepared to work because the subjects given are more dominant in practice. Therefore, I believe my career journey will be greatly helped by my educational background. Because the company may provide training services for its new employees, but if the company can get new employees who are ready to work, I believe that the company will strongly prefer new employees who are ready to work because it will reduce costs for employee training.
Anyway, why do you want this job?
When I applied for this job, I felt that the job profile matched my abilities very well. All the skills I acquired during college fit the role perfectly. I actually need a change to prove myself, and right now, I feel your organization is the most suitable place to work for me because I cannot see any better than this. I hope I can put my every skill to good use here, and I think this job can help me regain the momentum to go and fulfill my goals.
And then, what do you know about this company?
I read on your website that your company has three services offered to help its customer business, namely manage orders, fulfillment, and delivery. In addition, the advantages of the services provided include marketplace integration, almost 100% stock accuracy, dashboard, same-day fulfillment, and 3-day delivery all around Indonesia, 100 COD coverage, and dedicated tracer and CS team. I also know that your company could handle all types of product, both in warehouse and delivery service, as long as it is under permission Indonesia's law.
Okay, how about your goals for the next 5 years? Can you explain more about that?
I hope that my skills and experience will have expanded gradually in 5 years. Thus, is the next 5 years, I see myself having more complex tasks and responsibilities that align with my professional development. When the time comes, I will not mind becoming someone who can train, mentor, and support others. To work towards my goal, I will be anticipating bigger responsibilities within this role.
Last question. How about your salary requirements?
At the moment, I'm focused on finding a position that fits my skill level and passion. Based on our conversation and my research of your company, I'm sure you can provide a competitive offer.
Alright, I think that is the last questions for this interview. Well, in 3 days, I will inform you about the result after I submitted your application to the management.
Okay, I will be waiting for the good news, Mrs. Kantifa. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, hi, Kantifa Paraditasari. As you know, I'm Siti Fatima working as Human Resource Manager here. Thank you for coming on time today. I really appreciate it. Let's start the interview. First, I want to know about yourself, so let me know, please.
Okay, first, thank you for inviting me to be interviewed today. My name is Kantifa Paraditasari. I have graduated from Bandung State Polytechnic, majoring in accounting. I have been practicing first as junior accountant for 1 month in PT PN Cabang 8. After graduate, I recently took some courses to improve several skills related to my background.
Okay, that's good educational background, yes. Next, I want to know your greatest strength.
Okay, my strengths are I have strong motivation to learn and I'll always try to give my best in every job that I do. When I was in college, it really helps me to understand the subjects better than and get satisfying grades. I believe that my strengths will help me to result in completing gravity of job as junior and staff accounting.
That's great. You have to be able to defend it. Then, what your greatest weakness?
In my opinion, my weakness is that I work on assignments sometimes very close to the deadlines, simply just because I want to make sure that my job is perfect. However, this thing makes me become a detail-oriented person, so the result of my job will be better.
Okay, that's no problem if you can still complete the task on time, right? Okay, Kantifa, next question is how do you handle your stress and pressure?
I'm confident that I can handle stress and pressure well because when I was in college, I was given 3 assignments by my lecturer which must be completed and submit in same week. And this puts pressure on me, but I'm grateful that the pressure didn't give me stuck in stressful situation and instead motivated me to immediately complete these assignments. So I try to do the assignment starting from the easiest and closest to the deadline first. The pressure also pushed me to think creatively and more focused. In the end, I was able to complete this assignment even though I had to go overtime to submit these assignments. So I think working under pressure is a big deal for me.
That's great answer for who loves challenge, right? Do you prefer to work independently or on a team?
If I have to choose one of them, I prefer to work with a team because in addition to the task load can be shared, by working with our team, a part of getting relationships, we can also share various informations or skills that are owned by each other so that they can be better support various jobs or other tasks in the future, either as a team or individually.
Okay, next, I want to know about what contribution did the subjects in your college give to your career?
The courses at my university certainly contribute a lot of my career as an accountant and tax staff. For example, from several subjects like taxation, public sector accounting, management information system, and so on. I have an idea of what kind of job accounting and tax staff are and how to do the jobs, such as making financial reports, checking and paying appropriate taxes, and managing financial related transactions. For fresh graduates like me, who don't have work experience, this really helps me to understand the job I'm applying for.
Okay, that's really good. So, why do you want this job?
Because this job provides an opportunity for fresh graduates like me to put knowledge into practice in conducting audits or financial statements and making a networking paper. This position also fit perfectly with my skills and how I'm looking to grow in my career.
What do you know about this company?
PT Anugerah Mulia Bersatu engaged in accounting and taxation since 2008. This company deals personally with private clients, small, medium, and large companies, as well as foreign investment and multinational companies. The company was led by professional experts who have years of experience advising multinational clients and hold brevet A, B, and C license.
Okay, that's a really good answer. What are your goals for the next 5 years?
For the next 5 years, I would like to gain a lot of experience as practitioner in this field and learn a lot of things about accounting from my seniors, and I would like to become a more qualified person so I can reach higher position such as being senior accountant in this company. Besides that, I have continued and completed my studies for the master program because with that I can contribute much more optimally than today.
Okay. And last question is, what are your salary requirements?
Well, my salary range is quite flexible. I would like to be compensated freely for my performance and contribution. However, I'm very open to discussing specific number once we have discussed the details of the position.
Okay, Kantiva, do you have any questions?
Yes, so your staff has a great reputation. I thought perhaps I would ask if you have a training program that you put your staff through as if that?
Yes, we are committed to maintaining competence through regular, continuous professional training that you feel you will definitely get if accepted at our company. In addition, we often do casual training such as discussing and learning together to understand new things or develop existing ones.
Wow, I'm very interested for it.
Alright, Kantiva, I think that is the last questions for this interview. Thank you for today.
Okay, I will be waiting for the good news, Mrs. Siti Fatimah. Thank you.
Okay, good. And enjoy your day. Yeah, thank you very much. Bye bye.